join us today as we have some fun with the Raven. Kevin came over with his drone and got us some cool footage as we're flying around the Field of Dreams. Well, welcome back everybody. Today's mission is just a quick hop over from Dryden Airport over to the Field of Dreams to hopefully get some cool footage with the 360 camera and some drone footage. Still getting the hang of this 360 editing and trying to figure out a way to make it go a little better and a little quicker. So I'm trying to integrate footage from the GoPros here. I got mounted in the cockpit and kind of seamlessly trying to integrate that into the 360 footage. So it's a learning curve. We'll see how it goes. Heck of a crosswind here today. It was a little breezy coming straight across the runway, which made for some sporty landings at the Field of Dreams, straight across the runway. So over at the Eaton Rugby Airport, Kevin was waiting with his drones. Kevin's got a real eye for photography and he's managed to get some really cool shots with his drones. So we thought we'd take a crack at trying to track a big yellow airplane, give him a moving target to shoot there. See if we can come up with some cool footage. Kevin's also just recently got an Insta360 X5, so him and I are both working the learning curve, trying to figure out how to work these 360 cameras. So after a couple of minutes, I let Kevin know I was on my way in, and of course, seeing as how he's there, I better give him a question. It's kind of cool to see the Raven from the outside for a change, and it covers a lot of ground in a short period of time when you're down low. Well, here we are on file for 09. Let's see how we can manage to get that crosswind. Well, that was probably a little more sporty than I would have liked. I'd work at it to keep that right wing down, the upwind wing down. But we managed to get her down and taxi back to the apron and say hey to Kevin. All right, here we go. Kevin and I briefed the hell out of this. We know where everybody's going to be. We've got our communication set up with Kevin, and so we talk back and forth. Kevin's got a spotter there. We are as safe as we can make this. So let's go see what kind of footage we can get. So we'll speed things up here a little bit, and we're going to cross the midfield to join the left downwind for the 09. So we're taking off on 27 and landing on 09. So we're kind of doing a crisscross pattern here. So here we are on short final. The drone's in the air, just like we briefed, in the position where he was expected to be. So Kevin had a little trouble keeping me framed with the speed of the Raven and the distance he was from the center line of the runway. We were erring a little on the side of caution. We didn't want to have any conflicts. So, again, this is our first attempt trying this, and we had no idea what kind of results we would get until we got a chance to look at the footage. So this is just kind of our early days here for chasing airplanes with drones. And once again, I got a few knots on him, so I'm kind of outrunning him here, but I did a nice job keeping the frame there. We're only going to get better at this, folks. So after chasing me around for a couple of takeoffs and a couple of landings, Kevin had to bring the drone back down, do a quick battery swap on it. So I figured, I might as well burn up some time. I'll give him a buzz job on the field here while he was getting the batteries all sorted out, and then headed back around to runway 09 for another landing. And here we are, all configured again, full flaps coming in for runway 09. The drone is in position. Let's see what kind of shot we get this time. Now he's getting the hang of it. So as you can see, there's lots of runway there, just right around a little over 2,000 feet of runway, and it's almost got to be 100 feet wide. Lots of room for aviating. We've got some nice chase shots coming in here as we're coming back to park. Well, once again, I'd like to thank Kevin for all his help and coming out and recording some of me flying around and turning avgas into fun. And hopefully we get to do this a few more times, and who knows, maybe we might even get good at it. Well, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Really appreciate that. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're not a subscriber already, tune in, because there's going to be some more airplane antics coming soon, and maybe even some Jeep content, and who knows, a little bit of everything. Thanks for watching.